How to attract money with bay leaf. Have you ever felt like you're working hard but not seeing the financial results you desire? What if I told you that there's a simple yet powerful technique that can help you attract money effortlessly? Stay tuned to discover how bay leaves can become your secret weapon for abundance. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Soulful Manifestation channel, the place where we explore the incredible power of the law of attraction. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. It's the best way to stay connected with our positive and empowering content. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Today, we're delving into an ancient practice that harnesses the power of nature to manifest wealth and abundance into our lives. Get ready to learn how to attract money with bay leaf and unlock the secrets of the law of attraction. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use bay leaves to manifest money and abundance into your life. Get ready to tap into the unlimited potential of the law of attraction and experience a transformation in your financial situation. Before we dive into the technique, let me share a personal story that inspired me to explore the power of bay leaves for manifestation. Like many of you, I struggled with financial insecurity and felt stuck in a cycle of scarcity. However, after discovering the ancient practice of using bay leaves for manifestation, I experienced a profound shift in my mindset and financial circumstances. Implementing this technique not only transformed my financial situation, but also shifted my entire perspective on abundance and prosperity. I went from feeling limited by my circumstances to realizing that I have the power to create the life of my dreams. Now, I'm passionate about sharing this knowledge with you, so that you too can experience the life-changing benefits of manifesting with bay leaves. Let's start by understanding why bay leaves are such potent tools for manifestation. Bay leaves have been used for centuries in various cultures for their spiritual and healing properties. They're believed to hold a strong connection to abundance and prosperity, making them ideal for manifesting wealth. For example, in ancient Greece and Rome, bay leaves were associated with victory and success. Generals would wear crowns made of bay leaves to symbolize their triumphs in battle. This association with victory and success has carried through the ages, making bay leaves a popular choice for manifestation rituals. Now that we understand the power of bay leaves, let's explore how to use them to attract money into your life. The process is simple yet incredibly effective. Step 1. Setting your intention. Begin by setting a clear intention for the money you wish to attract. Visualize yourself already in possession of the wealth you desire. Be specific about the amount of money you want to manifest and how you plan to use it. Step 2. Write your desire on a bay leaf. Next, take a bay leaf and write your intention or desire for money on it. Use a pen or marker to write your affirmation clearly and with conviction. As you write, visualize your intention as if it has already been fulfilled. Step 3. Activate the bay leaf. To activate the power of the bay leaf, hold it between your palms and focus your energy on your intention. Visualize the energy of abundance flowing into the bay leaf, infusing it with the power to manifest your desire. Step 4. Burn the bay leaf. Once you've activated the bay leaf, carefully ignite it with a match or candle flame. As it burns, release your intention to the universe, trusting that it will be fulfilled in divine timing. Visualize the smoke carrying your desire into the cosmos, where it will attract the abundance you seek. Congratulations, you've now learned how to attract money with bay leaf and tap into the limitless abundance of the universe. Remember, the key to manifestation is belief and intention. Trust in the process and remain open to receiving the wealth and abundance that is already on its way to you. If you're ready to experience the transformative power of bay leaves for manifestation, I encourage you to try this technique for yourself. And if you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Together, let's manifest a life of abundance and prosperity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on manifestation, abundance, and personal growth. Click the link in the description below to join our exclusive community, where you'll gain access to even more manifestation techniques and resources. Until next time, may your life be filled with wealth, abundance, and prosperity.